We've come back here today to one of our hashtag smart farms. As for those who follow our social media will know exactly what that is, but in a nutshell, it is a farm that encompasses a lot of the technology that we provide. That's faster internet using a 4G connection. We've got livestock cameras here. We've got security cameras, but on top of that, we've got smart notification cameras. From coming into the farm, you're greeted with one of our smart notification security signs. So straight away, that is a level of deterrent. As you come in, you're greeted with a camera. That camera's not only acting as a deterrent, but it's also going to send notifications to the owner of people coming in and out of the yard in 24 hours a day or based on a schedule. And then beyond that, we've also then got the livestock cameras, all sent to one recorder. Faster internet in the office, faster internet in the farmhouse. That is, as we call it, a smart farm.
We got in contact with West Country Tech through one of our suppliers, and basically we explained to Tom what we needed was really good broadband. So they came out, they've set up that. We also set up some security cameras at the same time. We had a wireless link from our business property over to another property here. It's been brilliant. We've got cable, broadband, fibre, speeds, and it's been really successful.